We complete 2 years. We started in December 2012 with the first edition in Mumbai. And our target, I must tell you, for this year was to get 20,000 women to run across India in 6 cities. I just want to let you know that we will cross probably 50,000 women who will run in the SBI Pinkathon this year. So it's been a great journey over the last 24 months. It's been a great journey over the last 24 months since we started, and everyone told us that, you know, Indian women don't want to run, they don't want to exercise, they want to sit at home. They're all very busy taking care of their families. But once we brought out this opportunity and created this platform, we saw that thousands and thousands of women in every city have come out to celebrate the fact that they're fit and healthy, and this is the way they want to be for the rest of their lives. And not only them, each one, each woman, each girl who of an active lifestyle, of regular activity, of being fit, being healthy, they've understood that if they are fit and healthy, they can have fit and healthy families, they can inspire their families, their friends. So each one of them becomes an ambassador for health. So we're not talking just about 50,000 women. We're talking about 50,000 women each who will inspire and influence about another 100 or 200 people. And so this is our small contribution to making a fitter and healthier country. Today, as we know, lifestyle diseases, as we call it, are becoming rampant. And what that means is that we are adopting a lifestyle that is inviting disease. Diseases like heart disease, diabetes, even cancer today is being called a lifestyle disease. And the only way to actually deal with these diseases, of course, technology and science is finding cures for everything, hopefully very soon. But the only way to really deal with it in a preventive way is to have a fitter and healthier lifestyle, to create a healthier physique, to create a healthier mind, a positive mindset, positive emotion, and also to strengthen your immune system. So there are, of course, 4 basic concepts of being healthy, 4 basic things that you need to think about. One is restful sleep, one is good nutrition, one is regular exercise, and one is a positive mindset. This is something also that Amway talks about. And this is very, very important. We believe that. So whatever you choose in your life, the way you want to live, make sure that you really pay attention to these 4 things. Now, I'd like to thank, at the start, of course, Asilo for hosting the press conference, and Palladium Hotel. I'd like to thank SBI as our title sponsors. I'd like to thank Amway and LIC and all the sponsors that you see on this board, and all the ladies here, and the lone gentleman. Thank you very much for coming. These are all very, very inspiring women. And the first person that I would like to talk, so I've told you generally about the Pinkathon and what we've done in the last 2 years, but what it really stands for: women's wellness, women's fitness, active lifestyle for everyone. We will discuss that a little bit more. So first I'd like to invite Devika Bhojwani, who herself is a cancer survivor, a cancer victor, a cancer warrior, if you will. And after having cancer and survived cancer, she started the Women's Cancer Initiative to help underprivileged women with cancer. And she will tell us a little bit more about her experience. Thank you very much, Devika, for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm really grateful to the Pinkathon, to Milind, to his whole group for coming up with this amazing concept. Fitness for women, but fitness beyond that, there's something much more special. In India, women's cancers are galloping, and women don't seem to take their health seriously at all. When I got cancer about 12 years ago, breast cancer, I really didn't know much about it. It was my first time I went to get a mammogram done. Once I was healthy, I decided that we have to change the mindset. We have to get women in this country, young, gorgeous women who have a future ahead of them, who have families depending on them, to become aware that it can happen to any of us. We must start being fit. We must start getting checkups regularly. We set up the foundation, the Women's Cancer Initiative, with the Tata Memorial Hospital, which is one of the best hospitals in the country that deals with cancer. And it was a three-pronged attack that the foundation took on. Creating awareness about the importance of early detection, that after a certain age, after the age of 40, 45, get a mammogram done twice, once in 2 years, then once every year after the age of 50. But more important, teaching younger women from the age of 20, 22, 25 to get familiar with their own breasts, to understand and to learn how to do a simple thing called a breast self-examination. Why we taught them that? Because if anything changed along the way, if they didn't know what their normal breast felt like, they would never pick up something at an early stage. In my case, because my cancer was detected very early, it was curable. I'm sitting here before you, partnering with the Pinkathon. We've got 50,000 women who are not only fitter, but aware about self-breast examination, talking to their mothers, their aunts, their friends to say, have you had yourselves checked regularly? It's an amazing opportunity. We all know that breast cancer resides in fat cells in the body. Obesity is your worst enemy when it comes to breast cancer. By running, by being fit, you're actually avoiding even getting a cancer in the future. I feel so proud that these 50,000 women are on their way to being healthy for their lives. Their families know that they'll be fine. With them, they will take their families and their friends. And I'm so grateful to be a part of this. I know that this momentum is growing.
So I think with initiatives like Pinkathon, it will give them an opportunity and give them a confidence to say that they might be hapless, but they're not helpless. So I think it's a very, that would be the real success when we get hundreds and thousands of women suffering from cancer coming out and joining in, especially the way the society looks at them and their families. Women.
All right. So, Bipasha, a few words.
Good afternoon. Thank you for coming here, all of you, in this amazing weather, but a beautiful, beautiful place for an amazing event. We are talking about the SBI Pinkathon. Very excited to be here every year. You know, for me, fitness is a way of life. It's my lifestyle. Any platform that I get to talk about it, I'm always there. And especially a cause as great as the SBI Pinkathon, because here we are talking about a marathon for women. And that's fantastic. You know, women need their own, you know, they have to have a little bit of their edge, because we kind of provide men with everything, every possible thing, all the time. So there has to be some events like this. Yes, there are very important awarenesses that we are trying to create with this Pinkathon. And, you know, we heard everyone speak on this. All the women have given their stories and what they are wanting to achieve out of Pinkathon. Me, as the girl that I am, I had a lot of handicaps in life, and that's why I got into fitness. What's very important is that you look after yourself. My philosophy is love yourself. That's something that I preach very strongly. And that's exactly what Harshila was saying. You know, it's about you. And, you know, her story is that of a survivor. And that teaches us a lot. Not just people who have cancer. All of us, all healthy women. It can happen. Anything can happen to us at any point of time. So it's very, very important to look after your health. And definitely support an initiative as good as this. Because it's going to, basically, we're talking about women. We are talking about health. We have to come out in big numbers and support a cause like this. So I'm expecting, definitely on 14th of December, a lot many of women in Mumbai who definitely are very intelligent women. They will come out and support this cause. And yeah, 10,000 is a very small number. We are definitely going to achieve better than that.
Thank you, Bipasha. Yes, put the pressure on. So, so as Bipasha mentioned that, you know, special platforms like these are actually necessary. You know, all over the world today, people are talking about creating a space for women so that women can express themselves better, that we can hear their voice, they can feel comfortable coming out, because we do live in a patriarchal society. Even in a country like America, for example, when the whole running movement started about 40 years ago, there were no women running. So in an event where 10,000 men would be participating, there would be only 2 or 3 women. And the reason there was also cultural. They felt, you know, exercise and running and all this is for men. It's not a place for women. It's not that they felt shy or anything like that. They just felt that's not their place, to be running with men. So what some organizations did is they started women's running events in America in the 70s. And today, out of 30 million people who run in America regularly, 30 million, it's a big number, 60% of those are women. Up to the half marathon distance in America, 60% of the participation is with women. So that is where we want to get. We have other cultural obstacles that face us. Apart from feeling that this is not our place, you know, how do I have to wear small shorts? Do I have to wear a ganji? What will I wear? I can't wear a t-shirt. So we allow women to wear whatever they're comfortable in. Women run in saris, they run in salwar kameez, they run in hijab, they run in whatever they feel like. And it's okay. If they went, for example, to any other event, people would probably laugh at them. They'll feel judged. But that does not happen at the Pinkathon. And that is the kind of comfort that we give them. In fact, this kind of an attitude is not just in India. Even in England, about a month ago, there was a report that came out, and it was based on a study as to why British women do not exercise. And the top two reasons were, one, fear of judgment, because when they go to the gym or to a sporting arena for the first time, they might look too fat or they might look funny in these sporting clothes or something like that. And the second one was guilt about taking time from their families. So these two things are common across the world, not just in India or in America or in England. This is the way the world is today, and we have to break out of that, break out of these stereotypes, break out of these boundaries, these limitations. And of course, if we have to create special platforms for that, we must. So the Pinkathon is doing that, and with your help with the media, we need a lot of media. When we're talking about numbers here, we have about 7 or 8 million women in Bombay. Now, of course, if all of them came for the Pinkathon, we can't handle it. We cannot handle 8 million women. No, I can. I can, but the Pinkathon can't. So even if we're talking about 10 or 20,000 women, we have to be able to reach out to them, for them to know that there is an event like this, that this is the cause, that the cause is them, and that this is a celebration which they must take part in. And the only way to reach out to those women is through you. So the reason why we have invited you here today, of course, is to celebrate with us the fact that this is going to be our 10th Pinkathon in the last 2 years. But it's also to appeal to you to spread this message as much as you can, not only in the public, but even in your families, your colleagues, your friends, and try and get as many women as possible. Now, each of you today here who have heard these messages has become an ambassador for something that is good. Something that is good, and we hope will change our society for the better. So thank you very much for coming. If there are any questions you'd like to ask us, nothing about movies or boyfriends and girlfriends, but about fitness and running and the Pinkathon, please. Anybody? Yes.
Sangeeta, is for you also. Will reach millions. And what Mr. Milind said goes a very long way. That's it. It was not a question, but it was my...
Thank you, Farooq. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Bipasha, hi. Abhishek here. Hi. Okay, are you running the Pinkathon yourself? And how many kilometers would you be running? Also, do you think your, the fitness DVDs are coming as a source of inspiration for the women to take part of it?
Well, Abhishek, I love to run. 10 kilometers is not very tough for me. I can run 10 kilometers. And yes, to the best of my knowledge, I'm going to try and be there on that day. And 10 kilometers, not very tough, though I have osteoarthritis, and it's not very advisable for me to run on a road, but I will try my level best. That's why I've been always part of marathons and inspiring people, talking about it, telling them. But there's always also your personal journey. You know, there are injuries that you have to deal with, and you have to be careful about your body. So when it comes to cardio, though I love running, it's the most liberating thing in the world for me. I have to do it in little portions. Like, I can't do it long term all the time. And yes, the DVDs are always there to inspire women. And yeah, Love Yourself is there, and I'm there. And it's beautiful that every time, you know, I've been a part of a function, many, many more women have listened to me, participated. I would like to share this. It's about another marathon, but there was a growth in 25% of women participation in the Delhi Marathon this year. I've just come from there. And it's really sweet that, you know, all the work that we put together and so many more women came out in New Delhi. So I'm hoping that, you know, in Mumbai, we do the same. Yeah.
Do you think that you could probably qualify as the fitness ambassador of Indian women?
Well, I have a lot of plans as I grow older and older. I definitely want to do a lot for women. I want to do a lot for health and fitness. And yes, it always helps when you have, you know, had your own handicaps and your share of health issues, which happen, lifestyle diseases, as we talked about. It keeps happening to you. So there are stories that I would want to discuss about my life too. And everything, you know, makes you that much more proactive in that field. For me, fitness and health is passion, all passion. There's nothing more than that. That's why I'm always there on any kind of platform when you talk about fitness and health. So yes, there are a lot of things that I want to do eventually. Right now, we will give full support to Pinkathon.
Would there be a Bipasha Basu autobiography coming sometime soon? Can we expect that?
I am not 100 years old yet. When I become 100, I'll give you rights. You write it.
हाँ विपाशा जी, मेरा ये प्रश्न है कि जो लेडीज़ घर पे रहती हैं, जो जैसा बता रहे थे कि मतलब वो आगे नहीं आना चाहती हैं, ऐसे भी लेडीज़ जो भी घर पे हैं, जो काम ऐसा नहीं निकल सकती हैं, घर पे रहकर वो कितना वो एक्सरसाइज करे या क्या करे मिनिमम टाइम में ताकि वो फिट रहे?
देखिए, दिन में आधा घंटा आप अपने लिए निकाल सकते हो। 24 घंटे होते हैं। अगर आप आधा घंटा अपने आप को देंगी तो आप अपने परिवार की अच्छी तरह देखभाल कर सकेंगी। You know, your efficiency levels will go up. Definitely, you'll be a calmer person. You know, you'll have no health issues. तो चाहे जो भी करिए, you know, घर पे योगा करिए, DVDs देख के वर्कआउट करिए, या वॉक पे जाइए, या दौड़िए, या स्विमिंग करिए, या कोई स्पोर्ट खेलिए, खुद के लिए, सेहत के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Hi, this is Zuhair from Pro Bollywood. Bipasha and Milind, both of you looking absolutely great. And since you come up from the modeling background and the kind of profession you are into that requires you to remain fit and perfectly in the figure. So normally what do you do? What's your regimen to remain fit? What kind of?
Milind just runs. From the time he was born, he's just running. He's not stopped. I don't know how many kilometers he's clocked. From the time he was born, he just runs. He said no 100 million women are running after him. He's running from them.
So it's not a question of really, because it's you know, part of the modeling background or the film background. I have been participating in sports since the age of 10. I was representing Maharashtra from the age of 10 to the age of 23. So I understand the value of that activity today. I'm going to be 50 next year. But what I did 35 years ago, I feel the value of that today. So it's very important. What is one of the basic premises of the Pinkathon is to get women to understand the value of regular exercise, of an active lifestyle, so that they can bring up healthier, fitter children. Because I feel the kind of advantage I had because my mother encouraged me to do sport. Every child in India should have that advantage. It is not a question of that I have to be fit because I'm on screen or anything like that, or even for Bipasha. She likes to feel this way. The reason why she has this saying about loving yourself is not because she's an actress. It's because she believes that's the right way to live. So, sorry I'm talking for you, but yeah. I'd also like to say कि जैसे आपने पूछा था कि जो घर पे बैठी औरतें, मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि Pinkathon में जो participate करती हैं, about 80% of the participants have never been for an event before. वो पहले कभी नहीं दौड़ी हैं, पहले कभी ऐसे event में उन्होंने participate नहीं किया है. All of them have come out for the first time. So we know कि there are people who want to do something, लेकिन उन्हें chance नहीं मिलता, opportunity नहीं मिलती. उनको लगता है कि नहीं, अगर वहाँ हम जाएंगे तो लोग हंसेंगे. अगर हम वहाँ जाएंगे तो क्या अलग से कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे, कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारे विचार आते हैं मन में. It's not just a question of time. It's also a question कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. So we try to make it easier for them. Another thing I'd like to say is कि to make it more inclusive, we started a new initiative for blind girls to participate in the Pinkathon. So in the Pune Pinkathon, we had 23 blind girls who ran with partners. And we made a special medal for them also, which was made in Braille. So they could read. They could touch it and read it in their language. That I ran the Pinkathon in 2014. Yeah, it's in Braille. So we try to do different things like this. So even if you have suggestions on how we can make the event more inclusive, to include women from different backgrounds who might otherwise feel reluctant, then do let us know. we have an initiative called Har Ghar Mein Pinkathon, where a lot of people get together. We have ambassadors of the Pinkathon. If you see the t-shirt I'm wearing, stand up, these 3 ambassadors over here. So you can see, give a big round of applause to our ambassadors. These are men and women all over the country, in fact, who have come to us and said, we would like to work on this platform. We want to do something. We want to contribute with this change that you're coming with. How do we do it? And we told them, you just inspire all the people around you, your friends and your family, and that's it. And they have been doing an amazing, amazing job. Yes. Okay. Right. We're late. Okay, so we have we have a bib for our 2 mascots, one for Sangeeta from Radio Mirchi, and one for Harshula, who is going to the mascot of the Cancer Shiro squad, and a pair of shoes from Reebok. You'll have to come into the center. Come into the center. And the other bib goes to Harshula, who is going to lead the Cancer Shiro squad. Thank you, Harshula. This is a 5 kilometer. All of them are going to participate in 5 kilometers. Any other questions? You have a question?
बिपाशा बासु से मेरा सवाल है जाकिर सिसोदिया परम मकराना मैगजीन पिंकाथन के लिए आपको चूज किया इसका रीजन आप क्या मानती हो?
अच्छा जी आप बोलिए आपने चूज किया।
मैंने तो बोला था कि इतनी फिटनेस आइकॉन है, इतनी फिट है, इतनी खूबसूरत है, इतनी इन्फ्लुएंशियल है, इंस्पायरिंग है, और क्या चाहिए? और क्या चाहिए? कुछ चाहिए?
दौड़ सकती हूँ मैं।
दौड़ भी सकती है, रोज एक्सरसाइज करती है।
रोज एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ
2-2 घंटा।
1 घंटा एटलीस्ट।
Hello again. Little thing. Miss Bibi, you were great, terrific, having the hard, tough Delhi guys run.
चले रे बूम नीचे इतना ऊपर कर रहे
Okay guys, can we start?
1 second भाई इधर कहां उधर पीछे देखो ना यार अरे इतना मेरा सर पे
नीचे करो प्लीज, तुम नीचे करो ना, नहीं पीछे
चलो कोशिश करो भाई।
14 दिसंबर को आइए और भागिए।
मुंबई कर खासकर जो महिलाएं हैं उनके लिए क्या मैसेज देंगे सेंट्रल लोग, और किस तरीके से आप इनवाइट करेंगी पिंकाथन के लिए?
देखिए SBI पिंकाथन एक बहुत अच्छा इवेंट है जहाँ पे हर महिलाओं को आना चाहिए और पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज it's to create awareness for the women. It's about मज़ा भी आएगा क्योंकि इतनी सारी महिलाएं साथ में दौड़ेंगी, तो इट्स ऑल्सो अ पर्सनल चैलेंज दैट दे कैन गिव टू देमसेल्व्स कि अगर उन्होंने कभी कभी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया है ऐसे इवेंट में, तो वो लोग धीरे धीरे द आइडिया इज टू पार्टिसिपेट, नॉट टू जस्ट कंप्लीट. सो एक शुरुआत सबको करनी चाहिए. दे हैव टू कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस बिकॉज
it's about them, you know, comfortably दौड़ सकेंगे. यहाँ पे कोई, you know, you're not competing with a man. You are with only women. So I think it's going to be a fun event, and it's got a great cause. So everyone should come out and participate.
क्या मैसेज है पिंकाथन का, जो मैसेज जिस तरीके से वुमेन्स के लिए, क्या मैसेज?
देखिए, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर अवेयरनेस के बारे में हम लोग अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं. जितनी जानकारी लोगों को है उससे ज़्यादा, थोड़ा बहुत लोगों को ज़्यादा अवेयर हो जाना चाहिए. बिकॉज लोगों को लगता है कि हमें कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, you know, कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. That, you know, that, so it's very important that you should do your regular checkups. After 40, you are supposed to do an annual checkup as a woman. You should be aware of how your body is, and you should know your breast examination. You should know how to do it. So these are things that we are talking about, because ये बहुत फैलता जा रहा है. Breast cancer आए दिन बहुत, numbers are very, very huge, besides cervical cancer also. So it's very, very important that a woman takes care of herself and her health, and that is the basic awareness that we are trying to create through Pinkathon.
बिपाशा, आपके अलावा और कोई बॉलीवुड से जुड़ने वाला है इस पिंकाथन?
सब लोग जुड़ेंगे. देखिए, बॉलीवुड में बहुत महिलाएं हैं और सभी अपनी देखभाल करती हैं, और you know, everyone is very aware about what they should do for their health, and yeah, and I'm sure that in their own way they will contribute to the awareness that we need in the country.
मिलिंद, देश और विदेश में आप लगातार मैराथन दौड़ते आए हैं, खासकर जो मुंबई की ये मैराथन है, कितना डिफरेंट है? क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड भी होता है मुंबई.
डिफरेंट तो ये एक बात है कि इट्स ओनली वुमेन्स ओनली रन इन द कंट्री, जो 6 शहरों में होता है. एंड द डिस्टेंसेस आर फ्रॉम 3 किलोमीटर्स, जो आराम से कोई भी कर सकता है, टू 5 किलोमीटर्स, 10 किलोमीटर्स, एंड ऑल्सो 21 किलोमीटर्स, जो आधा मैराथन, हाफ मैराथन होता है. So it's a very, very unique event for India, and that is why जो रिस्पांस मिला है हर शहर में, जो 6 शहरों में हम करते हैं, रिस्पांस बहुत ही अच्छा मिला है. It's in fact it is one of the biggest marathon events in the country today.
So Bipasha and Milind, apart from running, what are the others?
Well, I indulge. Yeah, for
Horse
me,
riding.
For me, I think he swims. You swim, right?
I swim.
Yeah.
I do the triathlon.
Yeah.
I'm training right now for the Ironman next year.
Oh wow,
जो
really?
बहुत ही अच्छा triathlon का distance है.
It is.
So वो swimming,
Awesome.
cycling और running तीनों sports का एक मेल है. And it's a great challenge. It's a good tough event.
Extreme.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please give up space to go. Please, come. Vinayak, come.
Where is